Let's go! What's going on, everyone? It's Caf from Caf_official_Insta. I'm back. What a fitting way to return. I am back with the shoe I've been waiting for a year. The Shattered Backboard 3 point. Boom, 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 boom. The Shattered Backboard, I'm saying it twice. The Shattered Backboard 3.0 on deck. And yes, I've been waiting for this shoe for about a year and 3 months since the first images ever leaked, and I put them on my stories and people were like, no way is that gonna be the Shattered Backboard for 2019, and it is. And I am so gassed. Oh my days, the banter I have endured for about 3, 4, 5 months. People saying they look like oil, they look like candle wax, they look like grease, and I didn't care. I post memes for one afternoon to banter them people back, and you got grown man catching feelings. Oi, listen up. If you can't stand the bants, get off social media, all right? Boom. Sending me jokes about this shoe to the point of I'm getting more DMs about tarnishing this shoe than I am about general stuff. And boy, it is what it is, isn't it? There's plenty of shoes I don't like. I just don't talk about them. Keep it moving. Anyway, let's get into some on-foot shots, then an honest discussion about this shoe, how it sold out anyway, how certain man said it was trash and garbage juice, got them anyway, certain man talking about, I'm not feeling these, cop them this morning. We're gonna get into all of that. But first up, let's take some close-up on, no, it's not, I keep doing that. It's not on foot time yet. We're gonna look at a close-up of the shoe. So, we're looking at the upper first, and this is a Shattered Backboard shoe, and we're going to talk about that too. So immediately we're going to look at the upper, and the upper, of course, the controversial starfish black crinkled patent upper, and yes, it's glossy, it's glossy, it's glossy. Then you've got a vanilla outsole and vanilla midsole, so it's completely cream, and then you've got the Nike on the tongue, and you've got Nike on the insole. There's not much more to discuss other than that. How does it feel? It feels the way it looks. It's glossy, it's smooth, it's actually nice to the touch. It's not as stiff as I thought it was gonna be, but it's nowhere near as buttery as other normal leather upper or tumbled leather upper Air Jordan 1 highs. Now we've had a close up of the shoe. I can inform you that it comes with an extra set of laces, and the spare set of laces comes in the starfish orange colorway, so same as the upper. I personally will probably go for the black laces to begin with, and once I'm feeling a little bit more adventurous, in fact, sod that, I'm putting in the orange laces. Yeah, I'm probably gonna put in the orange laces because I know it'll go better with an outfit like this with black jeans. So, is this a Shattered Backboard shoe? When this shoe dropped, oh my days, cousin. You had people saying it's not a Shattered Backboard shoe. There's nothing, there's no mention, there's no reference of Shattered Backboard on the sneakers app. Then you've got people saying it's a Halloween shoe. It's got to be a Halloween shoe, bruv. All I know is it dropped on the 26th of October, which is today. Today's the 26th? Yeah, 26th of October. Halloween's around the corner. Could be a Halloween shoe. I don't think it is, because there's absolutely no reference to Halloween. You're talking about no reference to Shattered Backboard. Well, if we're gonna accept that this and this are Shattered Backboard mids and lows, this is the Shattered Backboard 3.0. Where if we're gonna use that logic that this and this are Shattered Backboard shoes, then this is definitely a Shattered Backboard shoe. We're just gonna accept it. And I'm gonna call this, no, we're not gonna call this the 3.0. No, not anymore. The actual description on the sneakers app says the crinkled patent leather has been done on purpose to capture a moment in time for a grail type shoe, so frozen in time. Guys, the way this has come out is not the Shattered patent, or the way this has come out is not to reflect Shattered Backboard, which is what I thought initially, so I was wrong. That's an L for me. Got the shoe though, so it's really a W, so it balances out. What it's meant to represent is a frozen in time shoe, so a grail shoe that has been battered, been worn in, been loved, been cherished, but frozen in time, but it's not, because it's still new. So similar to Nigel Sylvester, scuffed shoe, made to look like BMX rider, scuffed it, you know, heavy duty wear and tear, but it's not, it's a brand new shoe if yours is still DS or whatever. So yeah, so what we can agree to disagree, but what I'm gonna agree to call this is the Shattered Backboard Frozen in Time. Shattered Backboard FIT, the Air Jordan 1 SBB FIT. Air Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard Frozen in Time. Now we're gonna get to my favorite part because I finally get to put these on. We're going to the on-foot shots. Let's go.
Oh my gosh. Time machine. It's like I'm in one. I mean. Shit, this shit's crazy. Okay. Yo. Yeah. Time machine music. This beat is too sick. Flipping it on niggas. Lyrical gymnastics. Something like the park. I'm going on Jurassic. I straight eat beef. Hey Mike, pass the toothpick. Hard in the paint. This is strong acrylic. And I ain't walk a flocker, but I will walk a lever. And I don't know big meat, but hallelujah. Haters can get lost. Triangular Bermuda. I've never been a runner-up. I've never been a loser. Space high.
So yeah, are we gonna talk about the people that were bantering me off the planet, and as soon as I put in 4 memes to banter back, they're catching personal feelings? Nah, we're not gonna talk about that. Are we gonna talk about the people that consistently said this shoe wasn't for them because they can't get over the upper, but copped anyway? Nah, we're not gonna get into that. It speaks for itself, ladies and gentlemen. A man, a woman, or a person that doesn't identify as either gender is only as good as their word. If your word was these are trash, no one should buy them, not gonna buy it, Jordan, what WTF, what's going on, and you copped it anyway, I don't think I need your opinion on anything else going forward. It's like that.
Boom.
These are all facts. These are all facts. You can't get mad at facts. You have to give new shoes an opportunity. But Kath, it's a Jordan 1. Jordan 1s always sell out because they're popular. No, they don't. Not on release day. No. If it sells out on release day, it wasn't a trash shoe. And you can say hype. What's hype driven on? Limited quantities versus something that people want. Demand and supply. Supply and demand. It's only in demand if people want it. People want it because it's valuable. Someone has placed value on it, therefore it means something. If something was trash and it was just trash and they only made 10 pairs of it, no one will buy it. Trash will always be trash. That's why you've got the white chocolate Cocoa Pops still sitting in Asda, even though it is limited, because people finally got to taste it and it was trash. These sold out because they're not trash. They're a decent pair of Jordan 1s in a legendary iconic colorway with a modern twist on it that means something. It has a bit of a story. At least it has a bit of a story. It's a Jordan 1, so it's gonna sell out because it's a Jordan 1. Hang tight, was it Ghost Red? White Ghost Red? Or Phantoms? The Phantom ones? Hang tight them still on the shelf. The Defiant Couture ones, even though I like them, they sat on the shelf. First Class Flight, they sat on the shelf. What are we doing, guys? What are we doing? Just trust in what I'm telling you. Give every shoe a chance. There's shoes out there that are trash. I don't talk about them, but I don't diss them to the point of making it seem as if I'm trying to get personal with the people that do like them. Cop it. I don't care. I didn't design the shoe. You ain't gotta like this shoe, and you ain't gotta like me. But you gotta accept that if you think they're absolute garbage, you are the minority. And in most situations, you just gotta accept it. If you think the shoes are trash and they still sold out, not just because of reselling, not just because of hype, because of all of that. If we're speaking facts, if a shoe is truly trash, it doesn't matter how many pairs they make, no one's gonna buy it. That's the truth. If it's truly trash, no one's gonna buy it. The Zoom Terrakaigas didn't sell out straight away because it's not as popular as the rest. The off-white Zoom Terrakaiga. Things that aren't that good don't sell out that quick. Things that aren't good don't sell out at all. Things that are good sell out. This sold out today, this morning. There was no first come, first serve. There was first come, first serve websites. There was no first come, first serve in store. The Coutures had one. The Rookies of the Year had one. The Sports Illustrated had one. First Class Flight had in-store release. What are we doing? Facts is facts. It's a dope shoe. It's a dope shoe and I got it. And I like it. Don't project your disbelief that other people like something that you absolutely disdain onto me. Because you can't accept it. Because you're not being honest with yourself, you're getting mad at everyone else. Be honest with yourself. It's not as trash as you thought. And that's how we're going to close it off. I'm back. Expect more videos. Same energy, bitch. Nah, that's rude. Same energy.